Hello students, welcome to Future Dr. Neet Academy. Today I am going to solve 7 problems in chemical equilibrium chapter. Okay, now let us see the first question in this chapter. Simple one. See the first question. In a chemical equilibrium, the rate constant for the first forward reaction is 2.5 into 10 power 2 and the equilibrium constant is 50. The rate constant for the reverse reaction they are asking. So we have one relation between, that forward reaction constant and backward reaction constant. So what's the relation means? Kc is equal to, Kf by Kr. Kr means, reversible reaction constant. Understood? So here simply, equilibrium constant, this is called equilibrium constant, this is called forward reaction constant, this is called reverse reaction constant. Understood? So here equilibrium constant is given, so just substitute, here 50, understood, which is equal to Kf, the rate constant for forward reaction, this is called, forward reaction, this is also is given, 2 into 10 power 2, understood. So, sorry, 2.5 into 10 power 2, understood, by, they are asking to find out only a reverse reaction constant, understood, so Kr, okay, that's all, simple, okay. Now, that if you rearrange, we can get, therefore what, so I will write it here, so therefore, Kr is equal to 2.5 into 10 power 2 by, 50. So, this will be what? When you multiply, we will be getting what? 250, isn't it? Okay. By 50, isn't it? Okay. So, that okay. By 50, understood? Okay. So now you can cancel this 0, 0. So we can get answer will be what? So we can get answer will be the 5. 5 is answer. Simple one. So if you know this formula, you can easy to solve this kind of sums. Very simple sum. Answer will be 5. Understood? Next one. For the formation of 2 moles of SO3 from SO2 and O2. 2 moles formation. 2 moles, no. So you should frame the equation 2 moles. 2 SO3. Understood? 2 moles of SO3 from what? From, SO2. From SO2 and O2. Then you have to balance the equation. 2 moles, no. Then only if you put 2 moles, it is balanced equation. Okay. Then this is equilibrium constant K1. So we can write, we should write the equilibrium reaction. No, we should write the equilibrium symbol. This equilibrium symbol for that. Okay, right. So that is K1 is equal to what? What's K1? So product by reactant. So SO3 power 2 by SO2 power 2 into concentration of SO2. Isn't it? This is K1. Understood? Next one. Say the equilibrium constant for the dissociation. See, dissociation. Dissociation means dissociation of what? 1 mole of SO3. Dissociation means 1 mole of SO3. SO3, no? Okay. See, dissociation of 1 mole of SO3. It is split into what? That SO2 plus of O2. So you must know how to frame the equation. Then only you can be able to solve the sum. Understood? Very simple. Dissociation of 1 mole of SO3 into SO2 and O2. Then for balancing equation, then only I put what? Off. Okay. Then this is, equilibrium constant. I consider this is called what? K2. Then, outright K2 for this. Okay. Listen. So this is, I consider it's called what? K2. Understood? Okay. Then outright product by reactant. No. So concentration of SO2 into concentration of O2 power what? 1 by 2 by concentration of SO3. Understood? So first you write the equilibrium constant value. Then you have to compare. Okay. Suppose here they are asking equilibrium constant for the dissociation of 1 mole of SO3 into SO2 and O2 is, okay. So K2 is see the equilibrium, see in K1 SO3 numerator, no, in K2 SO3 in denominator. Okay. Anyhow we can say K2, okay, K2 is equal to 1 by, that will be reversed, no, okay. SO3 in numerator, SO3 denominator. Anyhow it will be what? K2 is equal to 1 by K1. Understood? Now if we take the, suppose here, if you take the, you take this square root of this one, SO3 power, if you take the square root of this one means what? Square root means, or if you bring 1 by 2 means it will be cancelled, no? Okay. So if you take the square root, we will be getting that one. Okay. So then only here we can say 1 by, understood? Okay. So K1 and K2 are opposite. Okay. They are all inversely proportional. Then only I put what? 1 by K1. But if you take the square root of this, we are getting this one. Okay. Then only what is the relation between K2 and K1 means 1 by K1 the power 1 by 2. Understood? You following? Okay. Right. Next one. Simple one here. The equilibrium constant. They are asking to find only the equilibrium, the value of Kc. So one equation is given. Simple. So one equation is given. So we have to find the equilibrium constant. So what is the Kc value? Outright. Kc is equal to what? Product by reactor. No. So concentration of B power 2 into concentration of C2 by concentration of A power 2. Are you following? Understood? You just write constant, equilibrium concentration, right hand side, product concentration by reactant concentration. So they are asking to find only Kc value. All the concentration value is given. You just substitute, then we can get an answer. Simply, that what's the B value? B value is what? 2 into 10 power minus 3. It's a whole square, no? You put like this. Okay. Then C2 no, is the third value, no? 1.5 into 10 power minus 4. Understood? Then concentration of A. A is what? Is the first value. So this also square, no? So 10 power minus 4 the whole square. Okay. Then if you simplify means, what's the answer here? It's called 2 square, no? This will be, it will be 4 into, understood? Then this will be what? 10 power minus 2. Minus 3 into 2, 10 power minus 6. This is what? 10 power minus 4. Then we can write here, I write it 1.5 here. Okay. Then 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 6 minus 4. It will be 10 power minus 10. Are you following? Understood? Right. Then down in denominator, who is there? 10 power minus 8 is there. Okay. Understood? Suppose here, 4 into this one, 4 into 1.5, we can 6. Understood? When it comes to numerator, 10 power minus 8 goes to numerator, it becomes, 10 power plus 8. So 10 power minus 2. Understood? So it will be, you can write what? Let's see the option. This outright, this is, we can write 0.06. Understood? This is the answer. Are you following? So option A is the correct one. Understood? Simply, Kc, the concentration, Kc value, this is a way to find out. All the concentration, if you substitute, you can get the answer. Okay? Simple. Okay. One equation is given. What is the relation between Kp and Kc? So you know what's the formula for K? What's the relation between Kp and Kc? You know that Kp is equal to Kc into RT power what? Delta N